If your Aqua One Aquis aquarium filter leaks at the tubes, most likely it is the O-rings. These can deteriorate with age. The sign will be leakage all around the input or output tubes. This is how to change the O-rings. Unscrew the hose and look inside. You want to remove the O-ring. Use some type of pick like a dental probe. The thick tube is from an O-ring kit. You can see the O-ring will be difficult to place on. Circlip pliers didn't work. Rolling the O-ring onto a pen did not work. Trying to lever the O-ring off the pen failed. How is it done? Roll the O-ring onto the thick part of a dismantleable pen. Find another pen that fits the tube. The diameter of the pen 2 must fit inside pen 1. The white part must fit over the yellow pen. The O-ring is slid onto the white part. The white part is the diameter of the filter attachment. This is the video showing how. The O-ring is much smaller than the tube. We want the O-ring to go over this size. We roll the O-ring over the tapered part. You can see how much force is used. Once rolled over the widest section, you can then unscrew the tapered section of the pen. The pen sizing was found by trial and error. The widest part of the pen matches the filter fitting. This part here matches. This yellow pen matches the inside of the fitting. The yellow pen will keep the white part centered. If the white part is not centered, it slips off. So the yellow pen slips into the attachment. The white part slips over the yellow. The white part is the same diameter as the outer part of the filter. The O-ring is slipped off the white part. In place. Thanks for watching.